There is always danger looming whenever you try to live like someone else more than yourself. Nobody was born into this world to compete with any other person, but instead we were made to complement one another. All right, there are some things about you such that another person doesn't have. All right, that's what makes you unique. That what makes you you. So rather than try to live like someone else whom you don't know might be going through some certain hidden challenges, as it were, because in this life what people look out for is what appeals to them much more, not knowing that they may just be living in a way so as to gain social proof, as it were. So in order not to shoot yourself in the foot, it's better you decide to discover yourself and then live your life, because your own very self is special and people need to be blessed through you as well. So whatever it is you want to do in this life, develop it properly to see that your very self becomes a value to the world. God bless you, Mr. Hilltop, right here.